3 reasons why major logistic companies have switched to automatic truck washing machines. A lot of trucks operate daily are still washed by hand. It's time-consuming, labor-intensive, water-wasting, and it carries the risk of damage due to improper techniques. But large companies don't operate that way. They've made the switch to automatic truck washing machine because they understand that sustainable growth requires every process to be optimized. Here are the 3 key reasons why they acted before everyone else. Number 1. Cut costs, increase profit. Manual washing, salary for free workers. Electricity, water, and manual cleaning chemicals. Lost productivity from waiting times. Let's do a simple calculation. If you manage 30 to 50 trucks and each one waits 1 hour to be washed, that's 50 hours wasted every day. With an automatic truck washing system, you can save 60 to 70% of those costs, not mentioned to reducing tire and paint wear from improper washing. Number 2. Optimize operation, boost productivity. The average time to clean a truck is around 10 minutes. Yes, you heard right. Just 10 minutes. With the program system that automatically manage pressure, spray angle, and water quality. Now, instead of cleaning 1 truck per hour, you can process 5 to 6 trucks every hour. A 5 times increase in efficiency. With this system, you not only save time, but you also create a stable, scalable, and easily manageable process. Exactly what any leading logistic company aims for. Number 3. Gain a competitive edge. Elevate your brand. Working with major partners, supermarkets, processing plants, cold storage facilities, international industrial zones, then hygiene and safety standards are a must. Bringing a dirty truck into loading zone is simply unacceptable. ISO required sanitation control for transportation. Many industrial zones mandate truck washing before entry. And more than that, an automatic truck washing system helps you to build a professional, well-invested brand reputation that's ready to expand into bigger market. Major logistic firms don't just compete on speed, they compete on system. And automatic truck washing is a smart part of that strategy. You don't need to be a big company to use big technology. You just need long-term thinking. This isn't just a machine. It's a daily profit-generating investment. Contact Go&Go today for a free consultation.